have Mr. Kelvin Yu, and then our chef consultant, Chef Kalel Chan. And of
And then
course,
our head chef here.
our head chef,
Francis Lacson.
dito ko sa gitna. Our head chef, Francis. There. So,
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the intro, Ms. Gwen. First of all, I'd like to give you a brief history of the restaurant. This restaurant has been here since 27, opened in 2017, but different people were running it pa. It was started by my dad and si Chef Francesco,
Yes.
who they operated the place until the pandemic, and then nagkaroon syempre ng mga changes sa lineup because of the pandemic. And then, during the pandemic, we started muna na there's an unutilized area kasi there, yung cafe area namin, which is part of Francesco's. So, nag-usap namin with my dad and si Chef Kalel, sabi namin, parang maganda to put up a separate concept there because this area, marami naghahanap ng breakfast. And we had a hard time selling an Italian concept na breakfast. So, we said na, okay, let's try something na, let's say, more accessible like a Filipino breakfast. So, my dad got Chef Kalel on board. And then, we started Cafe Mabini. And then, during the start of Cafe Mabini, Chef Kalel got si Chef Francis on board then, who he met before, and kukwento nila yung history nila. So, fast forward to now, eventually after making the concept ng Chef ng Cafe Mabini, we eventually got Chef Kalel and Chef Francis on board then to run Francesco's. So, that's 2020, mga ganon, 2021, Cafe Mabini, then 2022, full on board na kaming lahat with Francesco's. And nung 2023, mid part of 2023, we did a renovation, and then we opened the newly renovated restaurant 2023 na December. So we're doing this launch to kind of announce
Perfect yung mga timestamp mo.
ang ganda. Perfect yung mga stress points sa utak ko. So umabot naman lahat sa renovation, and then we're setting this small gathering para to show everyone na how we upgraded, we renovated, and we're
ready.
We're ready to host events, and then we also tweaked and upgraded the menu. So without further discussion sa food kasi mas forte nila yan. So Chef Kalel, I turn over the floor to you.
So we started. With Cafe Mabini. Of course, alam naman natin na it's always champion yung Filipino breakfast. No? And then, plus of course, maraming unutilized space dito. So we have nice parking. Laging problem natin yan lalo na dito sa San Juan area parking. So I think we have this huge parking area also. And then of course, syempre, I also have a job, no? So kailangan ko ng chef who's gonna run this place. So good thing, I went to Rojas, tapos nag-judge ako ng isang event. So I met Chef Francis Lacson. So nag-abot siya ng plate sa akin. Nag-dish siya. Tapos so we've been communicating. And then of course, pandemic. Medyo nakakatakot yung lahat. So he was brave na pumunta sa Manila. And
may question ako. Nanalo pa siya dun sa...
Hindi.
Hindi siya nanalo.
Pero siya yung you saw something.
Yes.
Pero lahat ng mga nananalo sa American Idol.
Yes, exactly.
Lahat na nanalo, nawawala.
Yes.
Yung mga hindi na nanalo, yung
Chef ko si Jennifer Hudson.
Actually, sabi ko yung dish niya. Yung dish niya ng that time. Kwento ko lang lang. So, each and every component sa dish had techniques. Pero hindi siya nagme-marry lahat. Hindi siya bagay sa isang plate. Pero pagka each and every item, lahat merong very, very good technique na ginawa niya.
Yun ang nakita.
Yes. Tsaka yung maturity. Ilan taon ka?
I was 23.
23. He's still young. So, kailangan yun. I'm getting older. So, kailangan may...
New breed.
Meron new breeds. Yes, new breeds. Tapos, masukay na to. So Cafe Mabini had been successful, although nung time na yun, we were open close kami lang because of ECQ. So hindi na namin alam gagawin namin. Open close. So we survived sa mga takeouts. We supervise the takeouts. Yeah. And then nung nag-open na, it has been successful na pati si Francesco napupuno na siya for breakfast. Tapos just recently, nag-take over na rin kami sa Francesco. Inayos na rin namin yung menu. So we started with Cafe Mambini, then we moved to Francesco. And then nga, it was a little dark that time, yung sabi ko yung interiors nito. So sabi ko, ay gusto namin gawin a little lighter. So good for breakfast, good for lunch, and also good for dinner. Even yung likod na area, it's very spacious. It's very airy. So Chef Francis, can you explain na food yung Cafe Mambini and Francesco?
Ayan, baka sa chef kalala mo na, actually, I can see some familiar faces. Si Sir Jerry. I was with East Meets West na competition.
Oh, the
before.
competition.
Yeah. But anyways, welcome to Francesco's and Cafe Mambini. If you might notice yung spread namin sa buffet, mix siya ng Cafe Mambini and then Francesco's. Because this buffet, we do this special events pag may, the last time we did this, Easter Sunday, Mother's Day, Father's Day also. So right now, yun, nakapag-ipon-ipon na kami ng gamit. Mr. Calvin. So we're open for mga buffets, caterings, no? We have function rooms dito sa likod din sa taas.
We have a lot of kiddie parties na binyag,
Yes,
and corporate events.
Yes, we also did mga pizza making before nung last December. But anyways, yun, thank you for coming. No? Thank you for being time kahit mainit. So mag-init ng panahon ngayon. Yun, nakwento na ni Chef Kalay kung paano kami nag-meet. No? So I used to join mga competitions when I was in Rojas, Iloilo also.
And even now.
And even
just
now.
recently.
Yeah. So, yun. I think it's arrogant for me to say that the food of Francesco's Cafe Mambini is the best in town. No? It's just equally good, no? But I think now we are doing some things differently here.
Elevated as compared to
Yes,
our
elevated.
first menu.
With our menu, when I started 3 years ago with Cafe Mambini as R&D, when we opened, all the breakfast Filipino, and then eventually, we were asked to also operate Francesco's, also with Chef Kalel. And then, that's the time na nirevamp na namin yung menu, no? But still, maintaining the soul of the food, kung ano yung nag-start with Francesco's. So, medyo nilagyan na namin ng konting tweaks, creativity, no, to make it relevant. And as of the moment, yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga platings and also mga techniques, we just updated it.
It's up to date na.
It's up to date na, oo. So, yun. So, it's been a journey, no? And then, since the onboarding of all the people, actually, kaka-onboard lang ni si Sir Alfred. Ano si Sir Alfred? Ano si Sir Alfred? Oh, wala. Our restaurant manager. These are restaurant managers, no? So, he onboarded last year. So, ever since, no, we've been trailblazing. So, marami na kaming mga highest of highs na nagawa dito sa restaurant na to. Yun, and then right now we're open for buffets na caterings also. But of course, now we have in the pipeline, dream namin na magka-catering din outside. No?
And then to expand Cafe Mambini.
And then expand Cafe Mambini also in some other neighborhoods. No? So, ayun, and also, I would like to acknowledge lang the presence of the owners, si Ma'am Jeanette, Sir Kelvin, no? And also, yun, palakpakan natin sila. This is not possible without them, of course. And yung sinasabi ni Sir Kelvin kanina na renovations. So, this is the first major renovation ng restaurant. So, makita nyo medyo light na yung colors and all. And also the vibe of the restaurant. And then, yun. Ever since they've been very supportive. No? So, first time namin last year join ng Philippine Culinary Cup. No? So, we won actually some medals. Yeah, so from time to time yung mga specials ako nilalabas, no? Yung mga winning dishes namin. So, for both pastries and then for Hot Kitchen. So, yun. Ano pa ba mga nangyayari dito?
Siguro, possibly siguro let's give them a tour.
A tour nung
Para alam nyo lang yung mga private
functions namin.
Before we